Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very simple plait. So yeah, just a 3-strand plait. Yeah, most people do know how to do a plait. A lot of people don't, so I've just done this video for those that don't know how to do it. So yeah, you take your 3 strands, try and separate them into your hands. So yeah, you grab hold of one strand and you go over the middle. So the outside piece goes over the middle. And then you grab hold of the middle piece and make it go on the outside. And then you continue from the other side, go over the one that's now in the middle. So you take that piece and you go over the middle, and then that one now goes into the middle. And you continue on each side, making sure that you hold up the top tight. Make sure you got your hands correctly. If you separate them with your hands, you can hold them better. So just get used to how you hold them. And you keep on coming over and going into the middle and swapping hands. So you go over and you continue, go over. And you keep going over on each side, keep going to the other side and going over the middle one and make that one the middle one. And then you go on to the other side, go over, make that one into the middle one. And you keep doing that. Keep going over. It's very simple once you get the hang of it. But yeah, you just keep going over until you get all the way to the bottom. And then what we do is we get a hair tie and we put it in. Over in the middle, over in the middle, over in the middle. So yeah, practice with someone, and yeah, that's how you do a 3-strand plait.